Salamat sa safe na pag-abot nato din sa Mall of Asia. Palakpak naman dahil safe.
Experiencing these differences, we hope that you will gain new perspectives that will help you grow, not just as leaders, but as individuals as well. Take this as an opportunity to explore, observe, and learn from everything around you. Leadership is not about being in charge. It's about taking care in your charge. Thank you for being here and welcome to the Building of Leaders 2024.
Ano ba ang tema ng talk natin at bakit tayo nandito? Yung turo dito, sana ma-disseminate natin. Ngayon, yung tanong, it grows and grows and grows. So, ang tanong ngayon, bakit tayo nandito sa MOA? Dahil yung tanong na ito, what if? Dati sa akin lang. Ngayon, what if kayo kasama ko to solve poverty of the Philippines? We touched down MOA, nandito na tayo. Palakpak doon dyan! Pato!
So I'm very, very impressed. Alam niyo, pinagmamalaki ko kayo. I've been telling my friends, hindi nila alam, but you're doing very well.
And then, palakpak din sa mga donors. Oh, may donors ba? Kayo yun, kayo yun. Palakpak, palakpak. Kasi lahat tayo nagsiservisyo sa kumpanya, it means kasali kayo sa pagkagawa ng pera.
For me, I have also obligation, responsibility sa mga tao. So, me as a head or their mentor, I will have to help them also. Para po ma-motivate sila. Indot ilahang career growth sa kumpanya, so it will be a great help sa mga tao.
So I think what we've learned here kasi is that it's very, very important to care for our people. Kasi when we care for our people, they will care for the company.
By investing in your people, it's a good way to motivate your people. Second is maybe you need to be able to communicate the meaning of their work.
The purpose of doing business is not to make a profit. Whether you make a profit or you suffer a loss, those are not the purpose of doing business. Those are the outcomes of doing business. Tama ginawa mo, you'll be rewarded by profit. Mali naman ang ginawa mo, you will suffer a loss. Correct? The purpose of doing business is to provide a solution to solve someone's problem.
Nandito tayo para mag-solve ng problema.
As a leader, you always go back. Parang tignan mo yung nangyari dun sa yesterday kasi maski pa paano may mapupulot ka dun. Then, you always look on the future kasi there are plans nga na nakalatag. But the end of the day, isa lang yung goal. Paano ka makakarating dun sa goal?
Today is better than yesterday. Tomorrow is better than today.
If the founder of your business is willing to spend money in doing this, training you, if his vision is never to settle,
Kasi kung hindi ka ka marunong mag-share ng knowledge mo at saka madamot ka, yun, magsasabi ka, hindi ka, ano kayang purpose ko sa buhay? Ayaw ko yung ano ako ngayon, ganun pa rin ako bukas. Kailangan ma-improve.
Time is the most valuable resource ever. You can lose money, you can re-earn it, you can lose your energy, you can recharge, you can lose your talent, you practice again. But once you waste time is irredeemable. It's the only resource that cannot be renewed.
Don't deviate from what is really the goal. Because sometimes we're so focused on the details and we fail to see the bigger pictures. I think you have to accept that there will always be conflict. There has to be a bit of conflict, a healthy conflict, no? And we'll move towards better operation, better system, more efficiency.
Walang shortcut sa buhay. Marami mga tao gusto mag-cut ng corner. The more corners you cut, the more damage you will have to repair. Babalik at babalik sa iyo yan.
Servant of unified leaders. Tayo yan. Mag-unified na tayo kasi pag watak-watak tayo, wala tayong impact. No? So ngayon, yung mission natin, pag marami tayo, solid tayo, mas malaki ang magagawa na to. Teamwork, kumbaga. Dito mo malalaman kung yung leader ba, effective ba.
Ang leader na nasa negosyo, hindi sumusuko sa hirap yan. Ngunit, pagka may challenge, instead na nako-complain siya, hirap naman ng trabaho, hirap ng buhay, magkahanap ka talaga ng paraan.
Pag may tanong, pakinggan ko. And then sana, ma-enlighten ko. Mag-iilaw tayo. Kasi kayo, yung imi-mission ko, na mag-iilaw din. Magbibigay din ng enlightenment dun sa mga nag-i-inquire. Doon sa mga nagtatanong, paano to naging successful ang grupo natin. Take this chance na makahawak din kayo of being sa business and hope you can have plenty of business din. Kasi malaki naman yung Pilipinas. Hindi ko naman maubos yan. Si-share natin sa bawat empleyado. Yun ang mission natin. Every family, every territory, every region, meron tayong gagawin na mga breadwinner.
Loyalty, innovation, excellence, and fortitude.
Honest to goodness kapag pararbaho. Tinuod yun kayo na, mo gina siya magdaan ako, magbugay dire.
Lastly, what's the purpose of values? Sabi ni Thomas Jefferson, in terms of fad and style, we swim with the tide. In terms of principles, you are solid as a rock. Values never change. Because values is the proverbial compass that points to the north. Kaya kahit na may dinadaan na kang uncharted waters, hindi ka maliligaw as long as you stick to your values. Same principle for the family, same principle for business, right?
Lagay niyo yung dalawang kamay ninyo at sabihin niyo, willing po akong matuto, willing po akong magserbisyo. Yan lang ang sekreto dyan.
Welcome to Lanson Hotel. So I would like to say thank you for the opportunity nga sa atong CEO sa ARTCDE nga nakabot mi diri additional learnings.
Tungod ani nga event, naabot yun ako ang Manila for the first time. Nagkaiusag yun sila ng mga supervisor at mga kailap na ako.
Big opportunity gyud kaayo nga usa ko sa mga naka-attend ani nga event.
Usa ni kada kong opportunity kay dili tanan way nakangari. So far ang event kay super nindot kayo. Kay daghan ko kakantiguhan, daghan gyud kay ko na learn. Sa lain-lain yung mga bisita, mga guests sa ilang mga thoughts, ideas o nga daghan kayong salamat boss. Thank you.
for the longest time, inaral pala, na-accumulate pala. Paano kayo makaturo sa iba if hindi nyo aaralin?
Krispy Kreme can only be as powerful and successful as you are powerful and successful.
I must think na kayo din nangangarap man din. Yung mga pangarap ng mga tao, pangarap ko na rin.